the idea of celebrating President's Day was correct and necessary. Indeed, in this day, we citizens of the country can speak with great pleasure about the great merits of the President of the country to our people as well as to the international community. During the years of independence, this wise politician leader was able to do a lot. Under the leadership of the President of the country, the Republic of Tajikistan is developing step by step in different spheres, such as economy, education, international relations, and other. Of course, the founder of peace and national unity, leader of the nation, His Excellency Imam Ali Rahman, pays special attention to the sphere of education. In this regard, the government of the Republic of Tajikistan accepted in 2019 till 2030 the state program for learning English and Russian languages. We are teachers responsible for the implementation of this program. Speaking about the great merits of the President of the country, we must contribute to the development of our country. Also, we are proud of our ancestors such as Abdurrahman Jumi, Abu Qasim Firdausi, Abu Abdullah Rudaki, Abu Ali ibn Sino, and also we should try in order to represent our tradition, culture, art, and history of our country to other foreigners. At the end, I would like to point that Tajik National University's staff always try in order to prepare high-level specialists in different spheres. Also, our students participated in different international and local conferences. It is a great honor that our students from the Faculty of Law participated at the nomination of modern literature and received grand prize in this sphere. We are proud of it too. Also, at the end, I would like to congratulate once again all the Tajik National University's staff, teachers, professors, and all our citizens with the President's Day. Thanks for your attention.